So guys, are you ready for the room tour? We finally made it to this hostel, and boy, there was a line. I think they started checking at 4 and there was a whole line, and we survived it basically. So glad to be here. So look at the room, guys. So when you come in, it looks like this. With the spiegel, look, you can already see mommy. Then mommy again. Ta-da!
Oh my god, people are so dead.
How are you doing?
Yeah, they have over 10,000 steps, I can't believe.
Yeah, we already
I don't know how we
have
did
10,000.
that.
And it's just what time now? Almost 5?
I still want to go out again also.
No, we're gonna survive. For 1 hour sleep as usual, guys. You know, we don't sleep on vacation, I guess. No, we wanted to take the early train because we're only spending 1 night in Cologne this time. We're leaving tomorrow in the evening. Yeah, so because of that, we only slept an hour. We had problems falling asleep as usual. So this is the room.
The room is okay, it's small, but it's okay.
Yeah.
I find it lovely and cool. Hope something else. Genau.
And the thing, yeah.
Some industrial kind of feeling.
Let's show you the
The only
view.
weird thing also is they can't open the window. It's just like so.
Yeah, town view, guys. Nothing fancy. And you can't open the window fully. Only German style. You can open it like this, but you cannot open it the proper way. So I don't know. Oh wait, so there's a TV up here. So it should look like that. And the last thing left is the bathroom. So this is me again. You know, we just use the sink, so it's probably wet now. The shower. Yeah, so that's it. Our little room tour, guys. So I guess we'll see y'all in the next clip. Stay tuned for the rest of the adventure. Peace! 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 Salzal wahrscheinlich für die. So guys, we're looking for primer. This one looks nice. Looks different.
Yeah. We have in Frankfurt, remember?
Can't remember that. Guys, I'm looking for work pants on vacation. Does that make sense? They have nice cheap stuff there. And why should you invest a lot of money in a work pants, eh? So we're gonna check and see if we can find one. So this will how much to your slippers? The one? You see, mommy, this is how much your slippers. Mommy got slippers looking like this.
Yeah.
Guys, tell me what I want. Me buy it for no. Anything you want, me buy it. Just tell me stop. Me stop this so. Send it on go. I wish, but one day we can do giveaways and stuff. So this is the bikini. Let's look for the working department. What is this? Even suits. I first mentioned this suit. What is that? Dive suit.
Cold water.
Yeah.
But what kind of setup totally different?
Yeah. They look bigger. Number 1. Okay, so this is one, but I don't like how this material is. This is the same one we saw in Frankfurt that we didn't like. Remember?
Ja, nee, stopp.
Like the material not nice. So we're all to get some else from that. You know. But I think I have to go upstairs. I think we'll see the step over there. So guys, come shop with us. I think it's even the first time I'm shopping with you all. You like that? It's too long for your mommy.
Long, yeah?
My goodness.
Ja, ich glaube, die wäre eindeutig.
Go under your bosom.
Ja, irgendwie.
But like the mirror, this is the one mommy buy with you, we got per month.
By the other day, also, the most Zoe kind of. Yeah, you did say that.
This is so nice.
It was a different one. So
it was the same one.
No, it wasn't.
I remember it. I remember it. It's the same one. So I thought they had an upstairs, or maybe made a because that thing they have upstairs. These look like chic pants, weird. So they have white chic pants, but it looks random there. Actually, much what you have on right now. Match, right? It's match. Guys, the last weapon I bought from Primark was like 6 years. That's why I'm looking again here. It was a good deal at the time, but not that we're lucky this time at all. These are too thin again. Make we check upstairs.
All too thick.
Yeah, this jacket nice, like it. I like that coat. The trench coat.
Damen, ist das erster Stock oder ist das nur hier?
Das ist nur und abends auch.
Ich sage mal, die Knöpfe gerade an. Oder muss ich mal die Schuhe schleppen, das ist noch schlimmer ist.
Du hast jetzt some flip-flop? Nee, das macht keinen Sinn.
Ich schleppe die schweren Schuhe mal.
Mommy, you can't have to buy shoes, flip-flops. But then you have more to carry tomorrow, you know? So guys, look what I'm looking at. Up here, so I didn't put the good deals them. Everything I got on €7. You know, because summer is over.
Oh
Mommy,
my God.
Mommy, look, I can match your slippers again. Mommy, buy slippers in this. You know, auntie? Even the dress match the slippers, them people.
It's just some flip-flops, so it's not made.
So I have a feeling we're not gonna find it up here, but let's hope. I'll come back to you all if I find him.
So look,
That dress is nice.
Der Schildergasse.
Schildergasse. Guys, we made it out of Primark. And you won't believe it. The typical thing happened to us. We went in there for one thing, we didn't find it, but we got other stuff.
Ja.
So we'll show you later, the little haul.
In a clothes store.
But you'll see why we couldn't leave them later. They're good deals. So guys, this is like our tile in Frankfurt, I guess. You know, our shopping road.
Every major city have something similar.
Yeah, a road where you shop everything and blah.
I'm only thinking kind of smaller, like, also shorter, wider, not so wide like in style.
Oh yeah, definitely not.
But I like that better.
Yeah, but tile Frankfurt wider. This is just one road.
Somehow this looks better.
You think this look better?
Yeah, well, we have asked them.
Alright
And
guys.
one of them days we'll make a video about our one.
We're gonna show you our tile. That's the name of the road.
Burger King, you
Or
can
shopping
Burger
road.
King.
And you tell us which one look
Look, when
better.
you treat them, they're awesome. The meal?
Yes, Mama, them real.
Familie, komm, probier was. Zeit.
Yeah, but does it is mehr green aus als here? The one we have, we think for one more green than this. So just one they get
Ich bin falsch.
Oh, the burger.
Tomato. Dort schon video yesterday, lady. I say tomato.
Tomato.
So it's not tomato, it's tomato.
Tomato. Everybody say it different.
They say it wrong all the time.
No, everybody have a different way to say it. Guys, comment down below if it's tomato or tomato.
Yeah, please tell me.
I would say it's tomato.
Yeah, I say all my life tomato.
And maybe the British people say tomato.
Das ist British.
Ja, willst du Eis nehmen? Kaffee? Ja. Eis? Denk schon. So guys, next stop is ice cream.
Later that same evening.
Hey guys, look at this.
Just
How are
the
you name
one
again?
soup. Just one really slow one.
Strawberry what?
Strawberry dream.
Schon look like a dream. And this is a typische Kölsch. Also da unten, ich habe schon ein bisschen was getrunken heute.
Mommy already start drinking. We couldn't decide, guys.
Thirsty. And this is Crystal before. Das können wir mal ein bisschen wegzoomen, denn man will der zoomen weg. So as Chrissy take her first sip.
So mommy said this is me before. So apparently I act differently after I drink. The peanut in my throat makes sure.
Achso, ja, hier gibt es sogar Erdnüsse, Leute.
Ja, Tag German.
Ja, da freuen sich meine German Fans, wenn ich Deutsch rede zwischendurch.
That's nice for you.
Guys, I have to speak German sometimes because I have some friends also they are always happy for every German word I speak in between.
Strong.
Was dachtest du denn? It's supposed to be strong.
Ich dachte wie ein Cocktail, wo man das nicht so rausschmeckt, aber ich schmecke das raus.
Ja, davon, was drin ist. You know, some cocktails you don't even taste the alcohol, but
This one I can taste it strong.
das muss ich auch mal probieren.
This one you can definitely taste it. Mommy, match your dress. Your top.
Interesting.
But this have more alcohol than your beer, no? Some more alcohol than your beer. Yeah, try do something. Yeah, try do something.
I think I use half more, this one should I have to look. I don't know how much alcohol this is. Keine Ahnung.
Mommy, I try
Steht
drunk me.
denn das?
She try drunk me.
4,8%. Ist viel?
Mal.
Guys, that's not much. Cheers.
Cheers.
See you later.
Prost.
Peace.
So guys, round two.
2? Also for you.
For me, round two. For mommy, round three. Two beers,
but
and
I'm
this is her
going
first
from
cocktail.
beer to something else. I forgot the name.
But this is also a different cocktail for me.
Cheers.
Cheers. Mine is called something like some elevator. Sexy elevator, guys. You see
Oh,
that?
I like mine.
And yours is what?
Something down a buttermilk bitter thing.
Baranda Night.
Yeah.
Mommy's Baranda
I like
Night.
it. Make you taste yours?
Yeah, try.
Nice.
Yeah?
I love that one.
Alright. So get my reaction. So let's try my one first. Pause.
I do like that one.
Yeah. It's more sweeter than the last one.
Try my one.
And not just so deadly like the last one. Like cherry, bit of chocolate, bit of cream. I feel like your one is inside sour already.
Yeah, but it's not that sour. Kind of refreshing, oder?
This reminds me of when we just drink.
Yeah? Nah. I
Like,
try for you one also, but that not taste not like for yours, in my opinion.
yeah, the one I mean like you can taste the alcohol in it again. Ginger rolls? It tastes good. I like it.
Oh, me too.
Maybe me even like it more than mine.
Right, cheers.
So ketchup, cheers. I think I like yours better. Although
Yeah.
one's stronger.
Yep. It's nice,
Yeah,
guys.
look me like
So
this
see you
one.
later.
See you later. So guys, I know it's random to see us just sitting here after the vlog, but there's something that happened at the end of the night that I want to share with you all. So we went to this bar close to our hostel that you all just saw, and the waiter, he was really nice when he was serving the drinks, like really nice at first. My mom said it was nice the whole time.
Yeah, to me he really was a sweetheart. God no.
I mean, they were nice, like
He recommended the drinks, like, and at one point he even told you, so are you sure you want to take that one? And
yeah, like, and they gave us peanuts in the beginning. I was like, yeah, I'm really loving this service. Then sometime later along, he came along, he was like, you know, doing this, which is, I guess, okay. You can still live with that one. But then it's like towards the end, like when we were paying, was it when we were paying? This guy just clapped me a kiss on my forehead. And the thing is, I work as a waiter, so it's like in my head, I could never imagine just kissing one of my guests. But mom was like, oh, he's just being friendly, blah.
yeah, it didn't mean anything by that.
And then the thing is too, it was also like a gay club, or not club, but a gay bar or lesbian bar. What do you call those?
Yeah, but
LGBTQ.
later he didn't know that we are mother and daughter.
Yeah, he knew that, but it was just, I don't know, guys. Comment down below what you all think. Is that
And even
weird?
if him gay, like, also you don't have to fret over anything, right?
Yeah, but does that justify like kissing like your guest on the forehead at the bar?
And it's Cologne people, they are maybe different from some others. I don't know, I didn't see anything by that. But you can comment down below
Yeah.
how you think about that, and just
Yeah,
go
let
ahead.
us know if that's weird or not. If I am the crazy girl, or mommy is the one that's too chill, I'm the one that's not chill, let me know. All I know that my boyfriend wasn't too happy about that one. He was like, I'm not sending you anywhere alone again. Anyways, guys, so that's it for this video. We'll see you all in the next one. Peace. Oh guys, and like, share and subscribe. Don't forget, comment down below as we said already.
And share the video,
Peace.
peace.